In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to swap between two devices on your MX Master Pro. So with this mouse, you can connect to up to 3 devices at once, and it's pretty simple how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is pair it up to a device. So what we're going to do is turn it on, and you can see it is flashing, meaning it's not connected to anything. So what you need to do is hold down the button, so it flashes quick, and now it's searching. So we're going to pair it with my MacBook quick. So it's connected to my MacBook. So the next thing you need to do is you need to tap on this button, so it's flashing on the second device. Hold down on this button, and it's searching again, and now we can connect on the ThinkPad. So now we're connected on both. All you need to do to switch between these devices is just one single tap. You see a solid light, and the third one's still searching. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.